Hello Lethbridge, this is Steve Domolewski with McFadden Honda. Hey, we had a real special request for another key fob trick video, just that applies to the 2021 Honda vehicles. So this is going to apply to the Civic, the Accord, the CR-V, the Passports, the Pilots, the Ridgelines, and the Odysseys. So as we all know, our key fobs do some neat things by the proximity entries and the locking and unlocking of doors, but they also do our remote start. So our remote starts, if you hit lock and then the 3/4 turn signal on the key fob itself, it'll do the remote starts on both vehicles. The other cool thing is that it also heats and cools to 22 degrees no matter what time of year. If it has heated seats, it will actually turn on the heated seats if it's below 7 degrees Celsius. As well as, if it has a heated steering wheel, the heated steering wheel will come on. If it's below 0, this section along here on your pillar, along the wipers and up the other side, will also turn on just to prevent any kind of ice buildup. You can also shut off the CR-V, the Civics, and the others by the simple press of that 3/4 turn button. Now, to get to the trick portion of our video, we can actually roll down the windows and open sunroofs by the simple press of unlock and holding unlock on the second time. So as you can see, the windows roll down, the sunroof goes open. It's a nice little way for in the summertime when we have those nice hot days, just allow all that hot air to escape. Now, you cannot roll them up from the key fob, but if you take the key out of the fob by this little switch here, and you insert it into the keyhole here, and you go lock and lock again and hold it on that second time, it'll roll all the windows up and close that sunroof. Thank you so much for joining us on this video. Just remember to like, share, and subscribe.